You ever notice how every so-called expert always says the same thing? Don't waste your time on Zillow. They're all retail. You've got to find off-market deals, and they're hidden somewhere only the insiders know about.
We here now. Used to dream broke, but it's clear now. No handouts, had to get down. Now what they fear now. No money, millionaire, we here now. Got scars, but I wear that crown. Turn pain to a real account. No money, no excuses, no limits.
No money millionaire. You ever notice how every so-called expert always says the same thing? Don't waste your time on Zillow. They're all retail. You've got to find off-market deals, and they're hidden somewhere only the insiders know about. And while they're chasing that magical unicorn that doesn't exist, I've been over here buying real assets with real cash flow, straight off of Zillow. So most people scroll Zillow like they scroll social media, like they're looking for that perfect listing. It has to be turnkey, or it has to be being presented on a platter. Well, that's not me. I scroll it like a hunter. I'm looking for opportunity, not perfection. Because what everyone else calls problems, I call profit. So I'm not talking about deals from years ago. I'm going to break down deals that I've done all within the last 12 months. And they were all sitting right there on Zillow. The same Zillow that everyone swears there's no deals, you can't use. The same Zillow that people swear is tapped out. So let me show you what I mean. Deal number one. I found a 20-unit mixed-use property. It was 16 residential. It was 4 commercial. I found it on Zillow. It had been sitting there for almost a year. They were asking $1 million for it. It was 75% vacant in the residential side, and it was 50% vacant in the commercial side. No one wanted it. It was in horrible shape. All deferred maintenance. Nothing had been renovated, but it sat there for a year. Do you know how many people looked at that and didn't see any deal there? So I picked it up for $675. I anticipated a rehab budget of $225, $900 all in. When I got it, it was bringing in cash flow $4,200 a month. I've got it now at $17,000 a month, and I'm not at 100% yet. So there's still room to go. And that was not luck. That was vision. That had been sitting there for everybody to look at it. And many, many people did. And they didn't see it. That thing is a gold mine today. So let's talk about deal number 2. 8-unit multifamily. It sat on Zillow for 4 months. Again, I'm sure everybody's seen it. Everybody's out here in the same area looking for properties. Looked right over it. I saw it and I was able to see nothing but opportunity. I was able to buy that one for $375,000 and it was bringing in $4,300 a month with just minor rehab. I have that one right now at $6,400 a month. Again, sitting on Zillow. Everybody had the opportunity. I came on it late. I seen it after 4 months. Somebody could have scooped it up way before then. And I'm sure lots of people looked at it and turned it down. Deal number 3. A 10-unit, it was 5 duplexes. It sat on Zillow for 9 months. They were asking $1 million for it, just shy, $950,000. I ended up buying that one for $650. I anticipated $250 in rehab, bring it up to $900,000. When I got that one, it was bringing in $5,400 a month. I have it right now at $10,500, and I still have 2 more units yet to renovate and rent, bringing it up to $13,000. Again, sat on Zillow almost a year. Deal number 4. I found a fix and flip. I was able to get it for $60,000. I put $15,000 into it. It's worth now $125,000. It's bringing in $1,200 a month. Sat on Zillow for a little over 3 months. Nobody snatched it up. These deals are out there. Let's talk about deal number 5. A 9-house package deal. I just picked it up. I'm in the process of working on it right now. I bought it for $900,000. After renovations, I don't believe I'll be over $1.1 million. So we're breaking them down. We're breaking them apart, and we're going to sell them off individually. And so far, we haven't had to do any renovations. I'm already under contract on 3 of the properties. It's on track to sell for $1.3 million. Every single one of these deals all came from the same place that everyone keeps telling you not to look, that there aren't deals on Zillow. That's where every one of those came from. I've done them all now within the last 12 months. While most people are out there complaining about the market, I'm out there buying in it. Everybody's got an excuse. The rates are too high. The market's bad. The deals are gone. It's not like it used to be. No, the opportunities are still there. You just don't see them because opportunity doesn't disappear. It just hides from people who stop looking. These deals weren't secret. They weren't off market. They were sitting right in plain sight, and some of them for almost a year. Hundreds of people saw them, but nobody really saw them. And that's the difference. I don't need access to some secret database or inside connection. I just know how to recognize diamonds in the rough. So the next time you hear people say, you can't find deals on Zillow, just know what they're really saying is they can't find deals on Zillow because they don't know how to look. They don't know how to analyze and break it down. They don't know how to recognize upside. And that's what I teach. How to find deals in what everyone else is scrolling right past. And how to build wealth when others see nothing. It's no magic. It's no secrets. Just skill. No money. No excuses. No limits. No money millionaire.
No money millionaire, yeah. No money millionaire, let's go. No cash, no fear, still a millionaire. Say it loud in the trap, no money millionaire.